Okay, guys, so this is not a vacuum unboxing, but it is a carpet or rug unrolling. Sorry, guys, I have the flu and I cannot breathe. Okay, so, yeah. I know in whatever video I did, I told you guys going to beach parties would be fun when it's raining, when it's a little chilly outside, but I lied. Don't go if you're just gonna wear summer clothes because it is too goddamn cold outside at nighttime to be playing in water. And like, yeah. So I lied. Don't do it. Sorry, someone just followed me on Instagram. But anyways, yeah, so I do have this new rug. Not sure what kind of material it is, but it is very, like, I guess medium pile, because it's not low. It's kind of, I don't know. I'm not an expert, but I forgot to bring scissors or a knife upstairs. I do not have enough energy to go downstairs and get one, so I hope this lucky screwdriver that I have yet to put back in my car will help me with this. Also, Walmart always has rugs like this. This one's 4x6, and yeah, this one's 4x6 area rug, and I usually get the 4x7, but I'm just gonna put this one in my room and not a living room. I don't even think that makes any difference, but whatever. But yeah. Okay, yeah, that worked. But I'm just gonna vacuum this. As you can see, I'm opening it. I'm gonna vacuum this with the Bissell because it is the best vacuum cleaner that I have, that I know deep cleans well, and because I'm not really sure what kind of pile this is, because that's never been my forte, like being able to understand the difference in piles, because yeah, that's why I rarely use the Dirt Devil, because I'm never sure what to put it on, and I really hate manually adjusted vacuum cleaners because I don't know the difference in the piles. So we're just going to open this up. Let me set this down so I can like hold it still. Well, I'll just do that. But yeah. I'm not sure. Hold on. Also, I didn't go to work today because, close your ears if you don't want to hear this. Okay, so I didn't go to work today because the mucus, when I cough, it's still very yellow. So it means that I am still contagious, and I can most likely spread whatever I have, this sickness that I have, to someone else. So that's why I didn't go to work today. But I was really gonna go because it is my last week of work. So I was actually gonna go, but not anymore. And after I finish vacuuming this, because I don't know if you guys know the rule or not, but I always vacuum if I get it. Jesus. I always vacuum if I get a new rug or anything, like anything with this kind of fabric. It doesn't matter what it is. I always vacuum it. If I get a towel, I always wash it when I get it from stores and stuff, because this stuff is always in factories and warehouses for a long time. I'm not sure like what it picked up or what, blah blah blah. So I'm going to make sure, but the Bissell should be empty. And I'm going to vacuum it both sides before rolling it the opposite way. So whenever I go and put it in my room, it will lay flat. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and roll this, get the vacuum cleaners together, and I'll be right back. This video is upside down. Are you freaking kidding me? Bro. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry. I don't even know if I can fix that, to be honest. Oh my gosh. No. Okay, no, I lied. It wasn't upside down. Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna go and roll it. Okay, so the whistle is empty, so let's go ahead and start it. Ooh. I'm gonna flip it. what it just picked up. All of that. That is what I got out from this rug. This brand new rug.